Another direction of modernization of the Mirage 2005 variant was the expansion of strike capabilities, in particular, the provision of the possibility of using high-precision weapons at night. As a result, a modification of the Mirage 2005 Mk2, Mirage 2009, appeared, which received the latest digital computers developed for the Rafale fighter, various avionics, and weapons. Moreover, the machine had an open architecture, which made it possible to install new equipment in the future. Thales developed a new RDY-2 radar for the aircraft, which had enhanced capabilities for operation on the ground and on the sea surface. The cockpit instrumentation was also modernized, new multifunctional indicators with a larger diagonal, a high-precision INS Totem 3000 with a laser gyroscope and a built-in satellite navigation system signal receiver, as well as an upgraded ICMS Mk3 electronic countermeasures and reconnaissance complex were installed. The range of weapons included Mica missiles with a thermal seeker and a Scalp-G, Storm Shadow cruise missile. The aircraft was equipped with a Damocles reconnaissance and target designation container. The 2005 Mk2 variant was ordered by the UAE and Greece. The UAE Air Force signed the contract in December 1997. The base 2005 Mk2 was delivered with some modifications, which received the designation 2009. According to the contract, 30 new 2009s were delivered to the UAE and 32 Mirage EAD, RAD aircraft were upgraded to the same standard. Among the equipment installed at the request of the customer was the IMEWS electronic countermeasures and reconnaissance complex, which is generally identical to the ICMS Mk3, but with enhanced capabilities to suppress enemy air defenses. Aircraft 2009 for the UAE Air Force also received Mica missiles with a thermal seeker, Black Shaheen cruise missiles, Scalp-G, Storm Shadow variant, and a Shahab container, Damocles variant. The first machines were delivered in April 2003. The Hellenic Air Force has ordered 15 new 2005 MKIIs and upgrades kits for 10 of its Mirage 2000 EGs, upgraded by Hellenic Aerospace Industries, Tanagra. The Greek Air Force preferred to include the AM-39 Exocet Block II anti-ship missiles, the Scalp cruise missile, and the AASM family of modular aviation ammunition, the latter are called both modular missiles and smart bombs, in the armament of the AM-39 Exocet Block II anti-ship missiles. The first deliveries were in 2004. The Dassault Mirage 2000 was developed in the late 1970s as a lightweight successor to the Mirage 3, and it's known for its maneuverability and ability to reach speeds above Mach 2. Powered by a single SNECM AM53P2 engine, it can achieve speeds above Mach 2.2. The Mirage 2000 production line was closed in 2007, the last being the Mirage 2005 Mk2 fighter for the Hellenic Air Force. In 2019, the Ministry of Defense of the United Arab Emirates signed an agreement on the modernization of the French Mirage 2009 fighters in service with the country's Air Force. Details of the upcoming upgrade were not disclosed, however, it was previously reported that the aircraft was to be equipped with the TALIOS, Targeting Long-Range Identification Optronic System, Container Target Designation System and the Thales RDY-3 radar. Other elements and systems may be installed in the course of ongoing work. It is assumed that the re-equipment of aircraft will be carried out over the next 10 years. Indian Mirage 2000 fighters were used in the 2025 conflict between India and Pakistan. The Washington Post reported that one Mirage 2000 may have been hit during the clash and crashed in the village of Wuyun inside India.